Boualem Sansal has been imprisoned in Algeria since November 16th. The writer, author of Les Sermons des Barbares, or The Barbarian's Oath, criticizes the Algerian government frequently in his works.
In Algeria, my first books were censored because there were direct attacks on those in power. I cited them by name, Bouteflika, Boumediene, and so on. Same for Islamism. So obviously, I made a lot of enemies.
The prosecution has leveled several charges against Sansal, including undermining national unity, crimes under the country's controversial anti-terrorism statute enacted after mass protests this past decade. According to the French newspaper Le Monde, Algiers did not appreciate the writer's comments in an interview he gave to the far-right media outlet Frontières. He echoed Morocco's position that its borders were changed during French colonization to the benefit of Algeria. Since his arrest, he has received an outpouring of support in France. The French president recently expressed concern over his situation.
Today, both his arbitrary detention and his health situation are of great concern to us, and I consider that is also one of the elements that must be resolved if trust must be restored.
At 80 years old and suffering from prostate cancer, Boualem Sansal has become another point of tension between Paris and Algiers, whose relations have deteriorated sharply since the summer of 2024. He has appealed his 5-year prison sentence. However, last Tuesday, the prosecution requested a 10-year prison sentence and a fine of 1 million dinars, around 6,600 euros.